Buddhist practice, pain is often regarded as a negative experience, but Buddhist wisdom tells us that pain is an important practice in our life. When we face pain, it is an important moment for self-exploration and discovery of inner compassion. We should face the pain with compassion, which is part of the inner power. Every pain is a heart-quenching, a process that gives us the opportunity to observe and understand our emotions. When we learn to live in peace with pain and look at ourselves and others with love and compassion, pain is no longer a simple torture, but a driving force that makes us strong. Through such a mentality, the seeds of love are hidden in pain, leading us to a higher level of spiritual growth. Loss and rebirth. Loss is part of the life cycle and the beginning of rebirth. In the midst of loss, we learn to let go and re-examine our values and goals. From loss to rebirth is a journey covering wisdom and self-discovery. Whenever we experience the setbacks brought by loss, it is an opportunity to re-understand and improve ourselves. Finding the power of love from loss is the key to our transformation. This kind of love not only makes us more compassionate to ourselves, but also encourages us to care for others with a more open mind. In the end, we will find that losing does not mean the end, but another new beginning. Compassion is healing. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of compassion. Facing our own pain and the suffering of others with compassion, we will find that love is an invisible but powerful force. When experiencing loss and pain, compassion is the light that leads us out of the dark. Compassion requires us to understand and accept our emotions. Whether it is sadness, anger, or helplessness, it is a part of human nature. When we look at ourselves with compassion, we can see the true power of our hearts. In the process of finding strength in loss, we need to deal with it with compassion, so that we can truly heal the soul. The transformation of love is a process from the inside out. The essence of love is selfless, unconditional giving and acceptance. In loss, we should not be obsessed with some form of love, but we should see the diversity of love. People or things that lose love do not represent the disappearance of love, but the transformation of love into another form, combined with our compassion and wisdom. This transformation brings not sadness, but deeper spiritual healing. When we understand the true meaning of love, we can face loss with a more open mind, and grow and be strong from it.